love the 2022 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, trailer tow group, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.